Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT Solutions. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can edit header or footer that you have created by using Envato Elements. So, come on here, templates, and here these are header and footer, but these are not that actual header or footer that we have created. So, we have to find here. So first of all, I'm going to edit header. So type here site header. So this is our site header. If you don't know the name of don't remember the name of header you have created, so from here you can find by clicking on all, and this is your site header and site footer that you have created, and these are some others. You can also send them to trash. So this is our site header. So click on edit with Elementor. So if you want to, this is our header, or if you want to change its background color, simply click on edit section, and from here you can change its background color. It depends on here. And if you want to change the background color of our menu items on hover effects, so you have to click on this home button and click on style. In typography, you have normally the color is white. In hover effects, the text color is blue and the background color is white, like here you see. If you want to color change hover color of text in white and the background color in black, it depends on you, on your choice what you want to do. And here guys, this color is changed now, and you also have an option to give links to these social media icons. If you want to add another icon, from here you can add, and from icon library you can also choose library icon here from here. And you also have option to upload an icon as here, upload SVG. You need SVG file to upload here, and here you can provide your email, your address and your mobile number. And let me show you some other options, like in advanced the gap between your header bar and these test email addresses is, if you want to reduce this space, so click on advanced and click on margin, and from top you can minus it, and from bottom you also have options, and you can select them from here. Here you have options to set these spaces or widths of these, but we did not use them much. If you know about web designing in HTML or CSS, that it will help you more, because padding and margins are almost used in our HTML or CSS. And if you knew better about your margins or paddings, it will help you more in WordPress designing to adjust your images or any section you want to adjust by setting their paddings or margins. So this is our header. We have changed this, and from here you can also change size of your header or footer, size of your header or your logo or menu items. So after changing your header, you just simply have to click on update button, and then now click on exit to dashboard. Now after changing my header, I am going to change some setting of my footers. Like here we haven't showing our footer page, like I have named him as site footer. So click on all, and from here you can find site header or site footer. Now click on edit with Elementor, and here you can change your footer. Like if you want to change background color, you can change it from here like this. Any color you want to change, or you can also change the text here. Best website for online tutorials. Any text you want to write here. Let me show you one more thing. Like if by selecting this text, you can also change its appearance. Like you have to change it in heading 4. You have options to do it in bold, italic or underline, and you can also change if you want to change text color for best website for. So select this one and click on this A, and from here you can change color of this. And these are our menu bars, or so you can say menu pages, and these are our social items, so social icons. So after editing this, click on update and click on exit to dashboard. So after this, I'm going to refresh my website. So guys, you see when I refreshed my website, the color of my header and my footer is changed, as now I am in my about us page and I have no text or no content in this page, and my header is sorry, my footer is a bit disturbed here. So comes back. Whenever we have content here, our header and footer will automatically adjust. So as I have changed the color of our text here in header, you can also change color in your footer like this. In hover effect, you can also change your colors or media items or anything you want to change in your header or footer. So this is the simplest way or method to change your header or footer. Let me show you one thing more. Like if you want to reduce this space between in Wilson or in this blue line, so you have to come to your header, site header. As I have told you earlier, you have to bit knowledge about your about margin or paddings. You can get this knowledge from our other tutorials about HTML and CSS in this channel. They will help you a lot. So click on this edit section, come on advanced, and if you guys select this, and if you want change this, it will automatically change all other options. So unselect this, and from bottom comes it to 0, and from top you can reduce it in minus. Like here it will looks better, and we don't need to change paddings here. So just click on update and click on exit to dashboard. Now refresh this page. Now you guys see our space is covered here, and it all depends on you that which type of style you want to use. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. Kindly share our videos to your friends or family members. In next video I am going to show you that how you can create a single section, and furthermore I'll show you that how you can use a template here in by using Envato Elements. So till then, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.